Hi, my name is Ramit Sethi, and I'm going to share my thoughts with you about I Will Teach You to Be Rich. Many people think a rich life means having fancy cars and a big house. But that's just scratching the surface. A rich life is about having the freedom to spend your time and money how you want. It's about following your passions, spending time with loved ones, and trying new things. And the best part, it's within your reach. My philosophy is simple. You don't need to be a millionaire to live a rich life. You just need to be smart with your money. That means understanding your finances, setting clear goals, and building a system that works for you. This isn't about going without. It's about making your spending match your values. Want to travel the world? Great. Let's figure out how to make it happen. Love going out to dinner? Perfect. We'll work it into your budget. The key is to be intentional with your money. When you know what you want and have a plan to get it, you can live a rich life on your own terms. So let's get started on your journey to a rich life today. Imagine setting sail without a destination in mind. You might enjoy the journey for a while, but you'll probably end up lost at sea. The same thing happens with your finances. Without clear goals, you're just drifting. Start by defining what a rich life means to you. Do you dream of retiring early, buying a house, starting your own business? Once you know your destination, you can chart a course to get there. Be specific with your goals. Instead of saying, I want to save more money, say, I want to save $10,000 for a down payment on an apartment in the next 2 years. This clarity will make your goals feel tangible and achievable. Write down your goals and break them down into smaller, actionable steps. This will make the process less overwhelming and give you a roadmap to follow. Remember, even small steps forward contribute to significant progress over time. Celebrate your milestones to stay motivated on your journey. Managing your money shouldn't feel like a full-time job. That's where automation comes in. By automating your finances, you can build wealth passively and effortlessly. Start by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings and investment accounts each month. This pay yourself first strategy ensures that you're constantly working towards your goals, even before you have the chance to spend the money on something else. Next, automate your bill payments. This will help you avoid late fees and keep your finances organized. Most banks and service providers offer online bill pay options, making it easier than ever to stay on top of your bills. Finally, consider using personal finance apps or software to track your spending and investments. These tools can provide valuable insights into your financial habits and help you identify areas for improvement. Automating your finances is a smart way to ensure financial stability and peace of mind. Budgets often get a bad rap. People associate them with restrictions and limitations. But really, a budget is simply a plan for your money. It's about making mindful choices that align with your values and goals. Instead of focusing on what you can't spend, think about the things you value most. Maybe it's travel, dinners with friends, or investing in your hobbies. A conscious spending plan lets you prioritize these things while still saving for your future. Start by tracking your spending for a month or two. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going. Then, categorize your spending into needs and wants. Needs are essential expenses like housing, food, and transportation. Wants are things you enjoy but could live without, like entertainment and dining out. Once you understand your spending habits, you can start making adjustments. Look for areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your happiness. For example, could you cook at home more often instead of eating out? Could you find a more affordable gym membership? Investing can seem scary, especially for beginners. But it's one of the most effective ways to grow your wealth over time. Remember, you don't need to be a financial expert to start investing. Start by understanding the basics of investing. There are many resources available online and in libraries that can help you learn the fundamentals. Once you have a basic understanding, you can start exploring different investment options. One of the easiest and most effective ways to invest is through low-cost index funds. These funds follow a specific market index, like the S&P 500, and offer instant diversification. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't get caught up trying to time the market or chase quick profits. Instead, focus on building a diversified portfolio and investing consistently over time. With patience and discipline, your investments can grow significantly over the long term. Our beliefs about money are often formed in childhood and can significantly impact our financial behaviors. If you grew up believing that money is the root of all evil or that rich people are greedy, you might unconsciously sabotage your own financial success. Start by identifying any limiting beliefs you may have about money. Do you believe you're not good with money? Do you think you'll never be rich? Once you've identified these beliefs, challenge them. Are they really true? Or are they just stories you've been told? Replace negative beliefs with positive affirmations. Instead of saying, "I can't afford that," say, "I'm working towards being able to afford that." By changing your mindset, you can open yourself up to new possibilities and opportunities. Remember, your financial situation isn't a reflection of your worth as a person. Everyone makes mistakes, and it's never too late to turn things around. Believe in yourself and in your ability to achieve your financial goals. Living a rich life isn't just about piling up money. It's about having the freedom to design a life you love. It's about going after what you're passionate about, spending time with loved ones, and making a difference in the world. By using the strategies in this essay, defining your rich life, setting clear goals, automating your finances, spending mindfully, investing wisely, and mastering your money mindset, you can take charge of your finances and create a life of abundance and fulfillment. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. There will be challenges along the way, but with the right mindset and tools, you can overcome them and achieve your financial dreams. Start today and watch your life transform. En este capítulo, vamos a explorar consejos adicionales para mantener una vida plena. No se despeguen, que vienen más ideas valiosas. Primero, tengan un fondo para emergencias. La vida da muchas vueltas, y tener una red de seguridad te puede evitar el estrés financiero. La meta es ahorrar lo suficiente para cubrir entre 3 y 6 meses de tus gastos. Segundo, nunca dejen de aprender. La educación financiera es un camino de toda la vida.